2017, he served as the chairman on Health and Welfare Committee and was a member on the Ways and Means Committee. In 2017 and 2019, he served as the House of Reps chairman of the Judiciary and Governmental Operation Committee. 2 years ago, he served as the floor leader, and today, he is now our current Speaker of the House of Representatives. It is an honor for me to call upon our keynote speaker, the Honorable Speaker Lester Danny Mersai, to give the keynote address. Speaker Mersai.
Wewe ususa di program kita itu efektara wegi semua wegi kisah. Abu Tiroan, Wiran MC, en Kapongor. Si Bapak Perorat en het is van Rat Abu Tiroan esan si Ferwan. Verwaat Zeewara, Torin Sabonden, Verwaat Zeewara, en Mayor Steven, Torin Zietium, Somarin, Verwaat Zeewara, Sabat Sabon, Somarin, Erdibat Fabi Base. Kiti Barat Sufen, Agoban Knowledge, Marquera, and the Sufen, Gary Zieti, Vice President Nagayaba. Agustin Nagayaba, Torin Zietium Centers Medicine. One and the Suvan Maruk, Vice Chairman, the Chairman of Togo, Tori Watsietiats, members of the House. One and the Suvan, Giri, Nuts Kepirak, Kisin Kepirak, Cameras of Nonom Nefirats, Sabas Chief Justice Tori, Associate Justice is Medicine. Kami Bironom, Mrs. Sabakani, Parajan di Suvan, Parat seperti Roweri, Ilats, Chief of Staff, Maria Batubulio Board of Education, Arjan di Turom, Acting Director of Education, Ms. Navara, Parat Turom, Principal Rayong, Vice Principal, Double Teachers, and Staff, St. Jude High School. And then to roll on every Sunday family. Friends, bilang nom para kekurang nergun. Naparon, ngapos sa baron yang ditisuvan. Ay buturo ini ikay erwen na fabun. Ramai fak kuning kenam negusagri. And dituro abi. Heavy graduating class of 2021. Fidiat Papa, Yusuf Kabum, Raranim. Raranim. Fansubi. Luigis Kruger Dara, Antubri Chugai, Ujar Mirike graduates, Rara Typhoon. Jusiriga por Typhoon na kailangan mo suceso pa nila. Yung iso kaya yung nagagis, meron. When touch medicine, yung sagot sa kirisyo, maray ko. Nagutiroon, sabat siya suki at Jennifer. Kaday, sabat siya mong parol, referend. Ferde Sandorong naratsi Jennifer, na sa Koba at sa kirisyo, maray di. Sabat saya buat ibu pula family touch base, ini so mariti. Ibu so, ibu kawan niat. Sisi dia pun mau fatan negeri kan, targetan. I say, hey Dad, is it true you're giving out the keynote speech today? Whatever. Are you nervous? Yes. Is this your first time? No. I've been nervous so many times. Usutsa, let's get us. You get me nervous or? Mixed emotions. But anyways, now ako batong right ako sa Kristo. Gari-gari. Ako gusto sa iyo tayo gari ako pabay ni siya. Magsorat ni siya every Israel. But truly, ako Kristo gari-gari. Graduates, class of 2021, total principal, staff of Chuk High School. Abby Moten, Shibu Fidigabi, and Abby Abraham Gere, for inviting us not just to witness, but to be a part of this memorable event today. Like they always say, you only graduate from high school once. Sa pag-celebrate fan-zone, over sa Junior High School. You know, the kids, some feel very honored to be part of this day for you and for your parents. And not only you and your parents, the very that Chuk High School, very that Chuk. You know, that's what it is so very some men, and then the Papa, and so what if you give not a great day. Now, Bogsos, Ren Masoran sa Kalafan, ikaya sa musulang misigan, mid-nerds kalanafen atau rai-rai. Lalat sa umot, sa kerseling sediawakon, tor lewat-lewat, samen uren muar. Wapa, kami besok cekang, dergits medisi. Dapat lagi tor-lewat, nanti congratulations. Napako waturats, congratulations ngiri, a graduating class of 2021 from the Chuk High Typhoon. Si Buwe Pisit. Congratulations, Gary. Chuk High School principal. I know you were very touched when you stood up today. What there are, you invested to the church of Mary K. School. Irabataan sa natin, congratulations, Fen Mary Kami, principal to the church of staff of Chuk High School. Sa pangmanugyan sa Bogarats, congratulations, Mary Department of Education, Board of Education, through the management, administration, here we are again, witnessing another graduation of this fiscal year. Congratulations. Number one, you had some me. Ikaw na tayo awag Louie. Chong-chong na lang family. Ikaw sa senda wala sigari. Iwaw nirong nagkilas. Because this is you. They are the mirror reflection of your love. Irabata sa aming family, congratulations, Gary. Graduates, Buwe Pisit. What is really the point of graduation? Every year, means about graduation. Napagini ka mong mag-graduation, ito sa akin, ipagpanam na ikin, iwag tete, gawin. Good marawar. So, but what is really graduation? What is the purpose? Met at siya bubun. Gire. Si Pacho Chole, na parang mali ka ni The point of today, Super Chef, is we're gonna eat. Gavin, mayon mo ga? Napagani functions, iba sa korpo mo ga? We're gonna eat today. Napagani kaya ng fabon, elang makiter, itetikiter, T-A-N-N-Y, rangkali itetikit, T, sounds familiar? Anyways, we're gonna eat. And how do you spell eat? Seven pesas. E-A-T. Esak maga. EAT, siguro karega style, tagang mag-K-Force, o karega. E, sipwe esina. A, sipwe efani. T, sipwe toge. Siguro parang siya. Ye, siya, A-Ren-Gere. Sisabi mo ka, susilingin yun mo ka. I hope there is food. Sisinabi ka, sa paningin niya parang. But anyways, we'll try to keep it short. Nga sipwe esina, sipwe efani. Sipwe toge. Sipwe siya. Usulat kawe keynote, kawe previous speakers, kawe sa sumo. Tawag about principle. We also closing one chapter, opening another chapter. So this is basically what's happening. This is a completion, but there is always a beginning. Supaya Fani ito, siya bubur pada si Fani. Supaya Fani, nora pekus, nora gugus weariya. Subject weariya, or 2 years before that. Supaya Fani, wara pekus. Supaya Fani, our achievements. Supaya Fani, our accomplishment. Abu Baktiron, so para precisa Fani, a good accomplishment there. Noran Subwe Sinna, Usara Subwe Sinna. Saya sinne, the Sisamanu Yat Subwe Fani Yukko, they made all this possible. We get it, you were sitting there. No, without the teachers, they wouldn't be here today. Ikasa purun job kusneri seri prop fisu ya fisu so ngeri na kurion. Iwesi sa change ifengeri kere. Sense, principal, staff, ekawo miora part na chukai, they make a difference in their life. Pasorong administration, pasorong leadership. Ibigay si Kuya Family at si Kuya sa senior. Nabiyat si Wesley naran si Kuya Family. Kurir ikaw po kaman, ang sukang na rin babysitter sa amin. Ganun na, kayo po karera. Araw na rin araw ko eh. What free lang to Florida ko. But from 7:30 or 8 o'clock, ngeri kurang mo meron gani mo. Yan, ito bululong. Nabatabiyan si Kuya Family. The men and women behind the curtains, sa sense, John Agaga, Ajo Sukusuka. Si Botogi, si Babaratiani, Mayday at Siapo Ikere. Ngini Kinjo Junior K graduates. For the past 4 years at Chukai, you have obtained knowledge. Be seated. You go put on your body and knowledge of our possessing. Kung natin karami na fasentan, nasusi ka rin. Nesot na kanon, ewan nito ka na isot. Kalau magkilawit ka raw for kapilin ka rin, nesot abot ko. Ufetit karami na fa, ikirin nesot abot mes. Ngayon isirit, may I be knowledge. This is the accomplishment. He get a witness to me. And never cage us to see. It's all made. Sitorian Sipotorum not to wear your salvation. You will put the Obo Chari. Could have Pisaginavan or Pisagini. In a made of a proud one, of possibility and knowledge. Era no breve. Noran si Bopan ako pero noran si Miguel panmari di kinisyo di sabat skot porque esa pun usulmento eu ki eu speaker anta performance. Pari popula per gustan, popula per mili. Again, we should have another chapter. Nangat si Boy Chia Libetogi Iran Gere Kota Ferdinand Mer Ego Nagi di Baba Baba pada si Besedowski is a Ferdinand nation Mapano. Our future, their future, your future, our future. And what's in the future? Mer nation Mapano. We came. So if you like hope. So if you like a bilugruk. Ye nation Mapano. Yera is going to see a bilugruk. Igera gawa sampe iwa mo digera ulena da iwe ubak kecilpun bobaba pura suci iwa ban ya bilugruk kena nabun marawas dia sorfa benar ye osisen kerja popun ati figure not because of yesterday we have to recognize yesterday today we have only few more hours before the day ends today. Dia kerja, event nation benar. Anse bilugruk, ike aske bilugruk. Ngambil pun kurang segera. Sabi dia betul. Kita sudah juga. Kami di resamu rakyat beri kasulah farfari kira. Udah itu sejauh narai school dia kamu mau tuar dengan sangat kaya tu orang itu keynote speaker ni apa apa. Uri kira yang miru, uri kejo suku ni, kerana dia sampai ini sampai cuman nera rafa tu, kaya apa. Orang mesti apa. Kami sini uri minna. Rawa foga pe as time, but hey, you're still beautiful and handsome. But they should do that. It's good because today is an important event. And like I said, they will never graduate high school again. This is the only first and last that will graduate in high school. Kami sini berbagai na cekfot marabat fit saksi. Arab post on Facebook. If you kids me friends, please tag me in our post. You guys have kids friends, please add me. And when you do post, make sure I'm in the picture. Subok ka tuloy kaya, ikot ka bita pa likes. But anyways, but after this is what? Muli ni Greg, then what? Everyone should be sa sucingyo Greg, Nesos, esap kinderel. Nesos is a different level of learning. It's college. Yes, they don't know college. They it's rare. It's easy. Vice President Nagala Takiraya, it's easy. It's easy if you don't go to college. But if you go to college, that's a different story. But if you want to succeed, you can succeed. If you want to finish college, it all starts with you. Nobody else is going to tell you, finish college. Kopusirari, kopusinono, grave. Uratin na sanse, eboy fausun. It's kapasen egran kere. Tsunami from Pasaregan, Sicily, Masoran, Egosicino. Med Poronsen, Efanson, Ekinja Sukurantua, Sibu participate in our neighborhood today. And Israel, Nagatini, you are not from Nagagatin matching. Nagatin favor, I'm going to be a favor, very proud. But this graduation too high, it says too high, Fairfield High, okay, Northern Namorehas High, and Ranchuk High consists of students from every corner of the Ranchuk. You don't forget that you are Chuk's future. A good Chuk, here no gravy. Please keep that in mind. Anyways, pag nalagagagad yung Fairfield, you will get a those who were attacking. Yan na yung sinatake. Those who sinatake, yeah. Okay, what was our to be somebody? Legarai, I want to get a cage of soup. I got to be on one for the game. Maratsi Guantake. No one answered where attacking. Oh, sorry, also attacking. It's very interesting. So short attacking, it's very interesting. No one answered for also made days before to give for the Legarai. He's making graduates. She back home, Nesaguru, take it back 4 years ago. Ifan, and I'm KBF of Kakyarin Hogdani High School. How do you feel? From elementary of Kakyarin first year in high school, did you feel scared? Have you been nervous? Have you been nervous? That's a very common feeling. Sige feeling no sa ato high school. You oh, I just marinated in high school. Feeling a little bit accepted, getting the hang of high school. Ikaw ba, igiyek sa fan, that feeling when you got in high school and the feeling today is different. Ito nga Lefi, sophomore year. Now, beginning at the sophomore year, you suffer more. Be with the sophomore year. You got so funny sophomore. What about junior year? That feeling when you become a junior. Senior year is just around the corner. Yeah. Everyone, juniors, it's getting harder at the same time. Araw ka senior. But Corona happened. Have you been here? No, fansurado, it's Corona. Rara ba sa chiro suku? May tataron non igit. She's a graduate. May exam ba? May araw no friends. Todo it's Corona sa mo. Napagani ba inisin din ko school? Kasi pag so many leadership, ewa task force, ewa sukun, ewa department, med-job, so senior regardless, they still went back to school. No, but I know they went back to school, I discovered Federal School. Which is that, parang plan 6 feet, may isip na sa mga 6 feet. Kasi pag in-story mo, pura sa motor, you know, it's me, I'm saying this because I did not experience medical experience. They went through it hard. They stopped going to school, and also couldn't hear again. But continue, and so continue. But yet, they made it till senior year. Yeah. And all through senior year, you're here. You graduated. Well, to report often, wow, so looking back 4 years ago, you made it all the way until today. But see, the thing is, it doesn't stop. It's a quota. It may be hard, it may be easy, it just doesn't stop. Ikiray, ilagay si Tetanyumi. May gawin na naroon at siyang certificate kay graduation. Ang sulidaga o utawarin starting line o parehiyong ipo. That's basically what's happening today. Open anyway, book go one not finish line or just say and making it out. And that's the feeling, or that's the idea of where you are today. And you're going to run through college. And the question is, are you going to make it through college? Are you going to give up? Are you going to go halfway? The answer to all these questions, how you perform, when you need this fan, your purpose. But I go through college. You need to go to college. Someday, you need to go to college. Whenever esok segi, gebar popusegits. In Sunday, so what pesabis kiriutski. Then I will go to college, and college is not easy. Kurado ra eruan rafa pun rawen rafevi eski direct. Irang punya college alberia. Ekir pernah breaks ever sebuah orang tu pun jadi. Nikan betul pun terang terang. Rough free. We should check if it's more than if we assume not set. It's a fatan post. Maybe at least that's needed. Let's get. Me or Fanson, what there's a shot, and we don't give it just to do, not college. What there's a shot. Me or Fanson, you will fail. Me or Fanson, go back kuf, go back to wrong. Precious shot, not God's. Now the question is, are you going to stay down or are you going to get up? The answer to that question is what we see on our grave. When all the possibly federal, you're the captain of that. Nobody else. We see that. College, also, what then? Sad, che si dice, si fatti che si possono fare, che si possono certificati, che si possono Northwest. Io sono in Fanson. Io ero schietto, io si rigaffa. Io ero questa sempre per porre, e poi ciò si vede la qui. Io ero questa Northwest, per porre io ero questa cosa, per porre senza. Io ero questa for for a businessman, a businesswoman. You should make life today. You could be a captain, walk away, young boy. Every charity, when I ask, what do you want to be when you grow up? I told you at high school. So what do you want to be when you grow up? Superman. But see, that question is up to you. Maybe if I question one, maybe else one more up pursue, and put fuck on the course. Maybe else no one go back on the course for the what's activity. Maybe the chair whatever is set up on course. Fairly than you. Fairly than my bike. Fairly day. We'll go to put a subject in. There is a one. To be your family, be your children, be your own witcher, be your neighbor, be your own group. But that's medicine mean for free, everybody. But whatever call you decide, and if you put your mind into it, I know you will succeed. Some first, I will look at you, that's what Shikofotoki, amen, ebirguk. We need to plant today, and it has to be today. It cannot be tomorrow. Ahmed is atakeri, esitohoriarbo ataket neso. We need this very moment. We need to plant seeds. Shikofotoki gave us seeds. At this very moment. Usukokiri one neso no. Bete sibukini wane shot panon, iwe epilguru. Uremi and Maba epilguru. Uremi and Fergusu epilguru. You be sibofotuki. Igere, usibukini, sibokura, sibofel, sibire shot panon. Nesi setuari shot fotuki epilguru. Nge epilguru me ua ekora fofatum. Udah igelai sifatuki faguri apuk guri, sifatuki fagmango apuk mango. Gaya biru guruk, you sifatuki guru seeds, me is God, and you should really keep this in mind, as I promise you, and I bet my life on it. A guru seeds, igel kialach netumratsu, you will succeed in any goal, any future accomplishment, and I promise you. Ik geef veel seeds. Even, itan atsoso. Even, itan tiriken. Even, itan nigiti. Men, epilguruk nuba siba fatuki. Iwe fatak geef veel seed. Nasi batu berat super buat buku feren. Sesuatu sefesan. Kalau pernah buku feren, ibu uang, ibu biru. Nubuen sah fotogi, ikut first Meyers abi sosok gede. Opan tu berat su. Pun ye fedami ye in the next chapter in your life. And trust me, if you take care of it, you will come out on top. In college, we should check for more than seeds. It's me what preference you should book here. In a of college, you get some for to get careful seeds, not heavy. No ato of college, or put a guru. Yarawunya, usut cekak seeds, sama refiteri, isu puneria, isu tohorina. Ira patai keken nom name, yang osuk mufeng abator, atso tirik ken nikitu, isu tohorina. Ike kapon nom tam nom metons neider. Gesa buat, atso tirik ken nikitu, isu tohorina. Ira betul kefirat yang karena nobya non college. Ngesisir fotokin nak pun, it's me one need at sebutan adu together. Lebih netran over care. Adu together knowledge, adu together sidet, adu together care. Udah poinan eringisi. Nobody ko make the right choices. Gini bet ko buat tutu gini. Kami tahu ni mana tutu. Ese tahu ni mana. Aso tirik kini gitu. Epan pun tutu. Iwe ni tahu ni mana. Nampaknya kita secara target. Sisi cek fadilah. Sahabat orang not kilos. Tuhi panit saham. Iwe non arts non arts software arts care. Amerika ini, ewe for pura from court, pura pen bigri, ewe pura pen Tibet. Ira pata non army itu besar kan, federal kau, obuang arts sabon. Puri, ewe tahu ni umur ini, ewe tahu ni fang ini kami sakam. Pura federal non having paid care. No Cusco transform medicine. Puri popular Tibet. If I deliver to seeds, obutuguratsu, purikan tuguratsu. Iwe bilkul ila abuk menara. And trust me, that's a very good plan that you need to plan today. Even you yourself, and that's perseverance, determination, and dedication. That's also it. I know you can do it. Over 70. Sabat sa ikot, panson medicine. Usap talaga. Men wisats geri kita suku ma papa. Men wisats geri kita suku sense leaders. Abo soman fitifagan mesense ma papa si sapni kita let's kita suku. I was surprised na dito tsu elenia tsu me para sarva met ko sa verwa pe yefta regra en ida book por eso no panon ir po kirikin en yo po kirikin verwa tsu po kirikin abu tigor sisa nikitiro supoira nenne NC art education support tiras ko sense and congratulations, Giri Sami. Education, congratulations, Giri. Congratulations to the staff of Chuk High School. Another year, another accomplishment. Number one, graduating class of 2021, and I think congratulate Giri. I know you will succeed, and don't give up, and strive and attack like a typhoon. Sibo pa rin si Kristo sa